In the meantime, ACP Phillips has urged the suspect in the murder of 46-year-old Jennifer Williamson to turn himself in. The boyfriend of the woman has been given until the end of Tuesday to report to the Maypen police. He's accused of chopping the woman to death at her home along Glenmore Road in Clarendon on Sunday night.
As it relates to Jennifer Williamson, who was killed a day or so ago, I want to call on Charles, that's Charles Thompson, OC Tony, to turn himself in as quickly as possible. The Maypen CIB team, they're anxiously waiting for him, and I'd suggest he do so before the end of the day. All right, we are not going to tolerate this level of violence, especially against our women and children.
The JCF's Area 3 commander says domestic disputes are again proving to be a challenge in communities, and it's now a priority.
When we do the analysis of those incidents, we realize that domestic violence is being featured right across the area. We had one situation in St. Elizabeth, another one in Manchester, and we had Jennifer Williamson case in Clarendon. And so we want to... Yesterday, I met with the community safety and security officers from across Area 3 because we will now have to focus in a very deliberate way on empowering the communities to treat with the issues of domestic violence. It is going to have our full attention.